Hi, to remove viruses on this Vivo V40, we need to go in the Play Store first and find this Avast Antivirus and Security app. After that, just tap this install button and those two apps will be installed. Just wait in a couple of seconds. And after that, we can immediately open it. Here, just have this Get Started button. Now you can see some on-screen instructions, we can skip it, and now we can allow or don't allow to send notifications from this app. I'm gonna allow. And after that, this is the premium version. You can skip it using the cross, then skip again. And here you will need to tap the Start Scan button. And here select Continue with Ads. After that, tap the consent, and here, as you can see, to use this app we need to require permission. So tap the OK button, and here enable to allow access to manage all files. And after that, go back in this app, and now the scanning just begins. So we are simply waiting till it will load to 100% and just check for the viruses. And now, as you can see, I have 5 issues to resolve. So for that, we would need to go in the resolve and follow the instructions that will appear on the screen. So firstly, I need to set device lock screen, and here I need to turn on this web shield. And after that, my problems would be resolved. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.